All right, cold weather on tap for the rest of the week, and as if we haven't seen that already, right? Good evening, everybody. We got a high temperature of 51 degrees today. 30 was the morning low. Temperatures 9 to 13 degrees below average. And across the rest of the Big Bend area, we saw high temperatures in the 40s. In Georgia, didn't get out of the 40s there. 45 in Thomasville, 51 here, 53 degrees in Apalachicola. And right now, it's 40 degrees, and temperatures are falling fast with those clear skies, dry air mass in place. It's really easy for air mass to cool with so much dry air in place. And around the Big Bend, temperatures are just several degrees from freezing, really coming up close in some spots. 38 in Monticello, 37 in Quincy, 40 degrees in Tallahassee, 51 the warm spot in St. Mark's. And with those winds, they're starting to die down a little bit, so not going to be as much of a factor tonight, but any little bit of wind is going to be cold with these temperatures. Dew points, upper teens, lower 20s. That just means it's dry, and you're going to need the chapstick for the next couple of days in addition to the sunglasses and the heavy coats around the Big Bend. Water vapor satellite imagery shows that we have dry air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, not only at the surface, but again, well above our heads. And then as we go further west, we have a little bit of moisture in the form of high clouds coming into the Arklatex region, and that's heading this way late tonight and into tomorrow. So we'll have a few clouds obscuring the view for tomorrow's sunshine, but not that big of a deal. Overnight lows will be in the upper 20s to near 30 degrees tomorrow morning, and as we go into the afternoon, 50s, and then just as we get to that 50-degree mark, we get even colder to end the week. Southeast satellite radar picture shows that system in Texas. Again, very fast-paced weather pattern that we're in across the region, and so that's giving us several cold fronts. This is one of 6 or at least 6, maybe 7 cold fronts in the last 9 days that we've had in the Big Bend area. Hard freeze warning in effect for tonight, and really that's going to continue for the rest of the week. Temperatures in the 20s for the next 3 mornings. And by the time Friday comes around, it's just going to be downright frigid. So make sure you take those cold weather precautions, bring in the pets, don't leave them outside. Make sure you protect yourself and make sure you cover those exposed pipes as well. This weekend we slowly warm up only to fall once again early next week. The cold front barrage continues. Tonight, 27 degrees, quite cold with that hard freeze. Again, expected. We're already near 40 degrees, so it's not going to take much more work to get down into the 20s. 57 tomorrow, pretty nice compared to today, a bit milder with a few clouds from time to time, but not a big deal. And that 7-day forecast shows the generally cold air mass staying in place, a little warmer this weekend, but not much above average by any means. And again, that next cold front comes again Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, staying cold through the next 7 days.